So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to order items on Temu. So first of all, go to your Temu app and you can see it looking something like this orange background. Open it up and from here either create an account or log in using your email and password. So from the bottom of the page you can see home, categories, you, and your cart. Now in order to actually order something, you will need to browse some items. Now through here, you can see on the home page some recommended things that they offer, and you can see the plus signs next to it. So let's just choose something. You can see the plus sign, and you can see it's being added to the shopping cart. Through here, just click on add to cart, choose between one of the colors. You can see it's been added to cart. From the cart, you can see you want to add to checkout. So once that is checked off, you can go to your checkout, but first you need to create at least 700 of this currency. So it's a bit short, so let's order a few of those. So through here you can go to checkout. After that, fill in your first and last name. After that, put in a phone number. You will need to put in a street name and a house number and many more. After that, save the address and your item will be ordered, and then from the You page you can find it out on here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.